What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. So your girl's on another work trip. We're currently in Portland. We're only here for like 24 hours. I'm helping our sister company with filming commercials again. This time we rented out like a venue, hired more actors. It's just like gonna be a lot more fun than last time. So I'm super excited about it. We start filming tomorrow around like 9. So probably gotta be out the hotel by 8. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's see, my flight was only like 20 minutes. Yeah. My boss had asked me, she was like, do you want to fly or drive? And I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and book that flight because I have to drive. I don't know if I would have made it here. Like, I done made the drive to Portland way too many times. I do not want to drive for work. So yeah, we're here. I just got back from getting dinner with one of my coworkers. We went to this place called Thirsty Lion and we got a chicken sandwich. It was pretty good. I'll give it like a 7-8 out of 10. And then we also had a drink and dessert. So probably why my eyes look crazy. I also don't have really any lashes. So yeah, and I'm waiting for the heat to kick on because your girl is cold. But let me give you guys a little tour of this room. So we have the door, bathroom right here, toilets, mirror, tub slash shower, which I'm not really fond of. Last time I had the standalone shower and I liked that shower, and now I got the ghetto tub shower, so not really fond of that. But we move. Storage space, double beds, which is what I wanted. It's just like really big in this room. My name right there. Me. And then this door, which is kind of creepy because I feel like somebody's listening to me or somebody's on the other side of this door. But I do got the double locks, but still never again, because I feel like somebody could come in here. I don't know. I will catch y'all when, probably tomorrow. Yeah, because your girl is tired. What's up, y'all? So today is Wednesday. It's currently like 7:20. Been up since like 6:50. Hopped on my laptop, did some work, and then I did a workout, like a quick workout. I did 100 jumping jacks, maybe like 50 squats. My knees were starting to crack, and that scares me, so I stopped. Mountain climbers and like some stand-up abs, and your girl is out of breath, which is crazy. But did that, feel good about myself. Now we're about to start getting ready. Yeah, I'm about to start getting ready. Gonna wash my face. Also want to put on these eye patches, tropical eye patches. This is like my last one out of the pack, because as you can see, the bags are here. So, and yeah, that's what's going on. I also didn't bring edge control, so curious to see how I'm gonna wear my hair. Yeah, I'll probably just braid it all the way back. But yeah, y'all, gotta get ready, so I will catch y'all in a bit. I think it's both of ours. I didn't really do a recap afterwards about what the commercials are about, but basically, it's this guy and he's in a spelling bee, and he loses this spelling bee to the guy's like 30 years old. He loses the spelling bee to like a 5-year old, maybe like 7-year old, and then the ending screen is like, oh, we're not good at that, but we are good at X, Y, and Z, which is the type of field that I'm in. So just to explain it more, that's what this concept is about. What's up, y'all? So today is Friday. We are currently, I'm off of work. It's like 1, it's about to be 2 o'clock. Your girl's about to get her lashes done. By the way, I got my nails done, y'all. These are so cute to me. I was like, let me do something different besides French tip. And these are like giving Halloween. Anyways, the girl's about to get her lashes done. I'm going to a new girl because the girl I was going to before loved her work, but she moved to a salon, and for a fill, it was like $170. Like, absolutely not. And her full set was like $200. And the girl I'm going to right now, her full set is like $140. I'll have to look because I need to pull out some cash. And then fill is like, I don't know, $80, $90. So yeah, and she has good work, so I'm excited. But anyways, I will catch y'all after we got the final product. What's up, y'all? So this is the final look. I like them enough, but I feel like I'll like them even more in a couple days when they like settle in, a few fall off. Yeah, but yeah, y'all, that's what's going on. Your girl is headed home. I'm tired. What's new? But hair appointments tomorrow, so I'm excited. Good morning, y'all. Today is Saturday. Update on my lashes. I had to put some eye drops in because my eyes were literally bloodshot red, which that's usually what happens every time I get my lashes done. But at least they haven't itched. That's the big part, is at least they haven't aged. But it's 9:30. Your girl's about to hit the gym. We got our handy dandy ginger shot. And then I got my hair appointment at 1, but I want to put like a protein mask before, so we need to get back here around like 11. It's gonna take like an hour for me to put it in, and then I gotta shower and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're kind of rushing. I need a solid like hour workout of upper body, so that's what we're about to go do. I also want to get my pants hemmed, so hopefully I could do that too. Not sure how long that's gonna take. It's gonna be my first time, so I'm excited to get these pants hemmed because like I really like these pants I got from Old Navy, so I really want to just get them tailored. So yeah, but anyways, y'all, hopefully you guys are having a good Saturday. I will check in with y'all a little bit later. What's up, y'all? So we are back at home. Do this protein mask, and I'm gonna just leave it in until my appointment. My appointment's at 1, and I'm putting it in at 11:20. So about a little over an hour and a half, and I'm gonna be walking out the house with a plastic bag, but it's fine. I'm going straight to my appointment. But let me show you guys the products. I've showed it on my channel before, but it's been a while. So we use this pre-poo and sealing hair oil. You put this in first, and all this stuff is by Nazara. You can find them on Instagram, or you can Google them, whatever. I follow the girl that makes these products, and like the way she does people's hair and like captures their retention when they use their products and stuff, just like clearly sold me. And then this is the protein potion. It's been in the fridge for a minute, but yeah, retention, protection, and growth treatment made with organic milk and natural oils. That's how it looks. And not gonna hold you, it stinks. But it's okay. We'll live. It smells like there is, yeah. It smells like there is apple cider vinegar in this. I'm pretty sure there is because that's all I smell. It has to go like from the scalp to the end. So might get a little messy, but let's go. Here's the finished product, looking mighty crazy, but I gotta get in the shower. I'm gonna put a plastic bag and just keep the plastic bag on, get in the shower, get ready, and we're gonna head to our appointment. Then probably after that, I'm gonna grab something to eat because I'm starving. And just run some errands, see what the day takes us. What's up, y'all? We are back with the hair silked down. Yeah, y'all, I'm loving this. Loving this. And doesn't it look like I got a blunt cut? I didn't. I just been taking care of my ends. And it's been growing a little bit. But anyways, yeah, y'all. Can I like have natural good lighting? Ugh. My head just feels so good. And she washed it 3 times because I had that protein treatment. But yeah, loving it. I wish I'd be having stuff to do after my hair appointment, and I don't. It is what it is though. But anyways, I think I'm about to go to the store. That's pretty much it. Yeah. So we are at TJ Maxx. TGI is a pretty good brand, so me and my mom are gonna get this one, then this one, and then all the skin care stuff is for her because I'm already pretty good in this department. This regular price is $75. Guess how much it is? Crazy. Same with this one. This looks like the pedicure section. These are cool. This is definitely something you need to keep up with pedicure. Let me see. Yes. Do you have some of these? I wonder if this actually works. Do you think this works?
Nope. To what?
Anti-cellulite.
Can you scrub cellulite off your body?
Yeah, you can.
You really think
You
so?
can fade it off. This is so cute. These masks, when I used to work at Ulta, would be like super popular. $24.99. How many masks you get? It doesn't even say.